Konnichiwa, what is the land of the rising sun? Hello junior chefs and welcome to Junior's Kitchen, and today we're in Japan and we are making sushi. Food fact: sushi means sour rice. These are the ingredients: carrots, avocado, ginger, garlic, red pepper, cucumber, chili, rice, nori leaves, salmon, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, sesame seeds, and salt. We begin with the rice, put salt in the vinegar, and then we mix all up with the rice. Make sure that all the rice is covered with vinegar. We make a marinade for the salmon. For the marinade we need brown sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. We chop the garlic, ginger, and chili finely. Fish in the marinade. Now we prepare the vegetables. The vegetables are prepared. The fish is marinated now and we cut it into strips. We don't want the skin, so we peel it off. Miso plus is ready, let's roll some sushi. Put some water on your fingers so the rice doesn't stick. Spread the rice on the nori leaf. Add your fillings on the rice. Roll and wrap them tightly. Cut into even pieces. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on the sushi. Serve with soy sauce and enjoy. Sayonara and goodbye.